Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to code a car racing game in Notepad HTML. So guys, so first thing is we are utilizing an AI app which is ChatGPT, and from here just simply type it in here, code a car racing game in Notepad HTML, and just simply send this one. And after that it will be automatically be prompted for you. And now, as you can see, we have the instructions over here. And now from here, as you can see, it will make a code for us. So guys, the better the prompt you use, the better the results are. So now let's open up a notepad. And now from here, we have an empty notepad. And after that, once the code is done, you should just simply go ahead and select copy over here. And now from here, just simply paste it over here and just simply click file and select save as. And from here, just simply provide a file name, racing game. And after that, tap on your keyboard dot HTML. So this is very important. And just simply select a location and select save over here. And now guys, this is the file that we have, as you can see over here. And now let's open it up. And as you can see, we have our game. And pretty much this game is very easy and very simple game. And the better the prompts are, the more it will be improved. And as you can see, it is very hard. And there we go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching guys. See ya.